Yun, and start recording mga kalabida. Welcome sa isa na namang reaction video. Congratulations. Hindi namin ine-expect to. Pero who did it? Yung hindi nagawa ni Israel Adesanya ang tae, nagawa ni Alex Pereira. And congratulations! Palakpakan. Ina, ba't wala? Pasensya na po, galing ako sa birthday eh. 'Di ba? Galing ako sa birthday, kaya ngayon lang po. Pero congratulations kay Alex Pereira. Ah! Ah! Ah, putang ina, hirap talaga mag-underestimate nung nasa ilalim, no? Parang halimbawa, hindi, may pasabog ako, putang ina. Ayaw lang sumagot na itong tinatawagan ko eh. Play muna natin to.
And finishes Yuri Prohaska in the second round. I was spot on with that. It was absolutely an early stoppage.
Early stoppage daw.
I mean, I understand you don't need to be completely out to get finished, but he definitely should have gotten more time, especially knowing who he is. Yuri Prohaska is a guy who's come back after getting hurt so many times. There is an argument the other way that Alex Pereira was in such a dominant position. He got into full mount on top of Yuri. It could have been over from there regardless, because that is such a dangerous position to be in, especially under a guy like Pereira. And the guy was rocked already. While he was trying to stand up, he was wobbling. So I do.
Ito po, hindi ko napanood to kanina ha. Kasi habang pinapalabas to, nandun po ako sa bahay ng kaibigan ko. Ng kaibigan ko na meron kaming topic na mas malalalim para sa UFC, para sa politics. Fuck! Pero congratulations kay Alex Pereira. Ang binet ko dito si Yuri. Francis A. Sino pa? Perfect Defect. Kung yung pero sa heavyweight, hindi ko pa alam kung sino Kasi kabubukas ko lang ng laptop ngayon. Hindi ko pa talaga alam kung sino. Pero ngayon, kakakita ko lang si Alex Pereira nanalo. Anong gagawin natin? Nagmukhang tanga si Israel Adesanya. Bakit? Yung great to be great, nagmukhang tanga. Okay? Tignan natin may tatawagan tayo ng live. Kasi ito, 100% excuse. Ano to ni Israel Adesanya eh. Bata ni Israel Adesanya. Bata ka ni Israel Adesanya. Bata ka ni Israel Adesanya. Tangina. Wait lang. Anong pangalan ng hayop? Hayop eh. Tropa pala. Sorry. Mukhang nagtatrabaho. Wait lang. Okay. Nagwo-work to. Pasensya na po. Tawagan natin yung kapatid. Kukuha lang tayo ng kuro-kuro sa UFC. Kukuha tayo ng kuro-kuro sa UFC. Kukuha tayo ng kuro-kuro. Wait lang. Pagalan ng internet eh, oh. Walang lumalabas. Ipa-podcast natin to. Francis A! Natalo tayo. Feeling natin si Yuri. Ayaw lumabas talaga. Sa heavyweight. Tignan natin kung sino yung interim ng heavyweight, ha. Tignan natin kung sino yung interim ng heavyweight. Heavyweight. Interim. UFC. Tomas Pinal, putang ina! Lahat ng pinusta namin ni Francis A natalo. Francis A, anong gagawin natin? Eh di wala, talo eh. Talo. Eh, talo is talo. Anong gagawin natin? Pagkukumahog. Diba? Fuck! Tangina, UFC talaga malupit, no? Mas malupit sa boxing ang UFC. Diba? Pagka si Francis Ngannou nilaban mo yan si Tyson Fury, tangina wala pang 1 round body neds na ni Francis Ngannou si Tyson Fury. Mautak si Francis Ngannou, nag-money fight siya. Money fight, matalo man ako o manalo, I win a lot. 'Di ba? Ang dami niya napanalunan. Ano nangyari sa internet ko? Ba't ganito kabagal? 'Di ba? Okay. So, reaction muna tayo dito habang wala yung cellphone. Pak.
It's an early stoppage, but I'm not too mad at it every time I see the replay. The fight was very interesting altogether, though. It was a very good fight where they came out with completely different styles.
Actually, hindi ko pa napapanood, ha. Okay?
Pereira was destroying Yuri's left leg, took him off his feet with one of them. The
Kickboxer kasi si Alex. Sabi ko sa inyo, mawala man yung left hand ko, papatayin ko kayo ng sipa. Ewan ko kung sa mukha, sa leeg, sa katawan, sa legs. Bahala kayo. Kung matapang kayo, sparring tayo, eh di, at least ako, alam ko yung ginagawa ko, 'di ba? Yun lang. Tuloy.
power of those leg kicks is absurd. And not only that, look how he was timing his leg kicks. He would kick at Yuri's leg when he would take a step with it. There's 2 distinct examples of him doing it in the fight, and it's very interesting how he's able to time it that precisely. Look how Yuri steps with his left foot, and immediately after the step, Pereira targets it with a leg kick. Another example, he does the exact same thing. As soon as Yuri goes to step with his lead foot, Pereira waits for it and then attacks it after the step is done. Yuri Prochazka was doing all his weird stuff, switching stances, low feints, bringing out
Low feints. Kahit mag-low feints ka, ginulpi yung paa mo.
hand to the side so he can throw a leg kick at Pereira, which worked.
Eto ako hindi naman ako against kay Yuri. Si Yuri nga ang inano ko ang pinusta ko diyan. Kasi iniisip ko hindi complete fighter si Alex Pereira. So ibig sabihin nagkamali ako. Bakit? Hindi rin complete fighter si Yuri Prochazka. Bakit? Tangina kung i-wrestling mo si Alex Pereira, hindi yun yung great game niya. 'Di ba? Ang game niyan is kickboxing. Puta, dun siya dinali. Bakit ka nakipagsabayan? Ang tawag sa'yo, tanga. 'Di ba? Pero kung ang ginawa mo wrestle, grinapple mo yan, malamang may panalo ka. Okay? Pero congratulations, hindi pa rin naman ako nagsisisi na si Alex Pereira ang champion ng light heavyweight. Bakit? Kasi champ. Congratulations, Alex Pereira, champ. Okay? Champ. Double champ siya. Light heavyweight tsaka middleweight. Congratulations pa rin ako. Okay? No excuses. Walang sisihan. Inorn niya yun. Double champ. Alex Pereira, congratulations. 'Di ba? Wala ka na excuse. Israel Adesanya, yung dream to pukin ng ina mo, na putang ina mo, na dream to greatness. Ina mo, pukin ng ina mo. Hindi mo kaya yun, tanga. Kasi sa sobrang yabang mo, Israel Adesanya, yung mentalidad mo, nasa tae content. Diba? Kinain ka na ngayon ni Alex Pereira dahil siya, nung nag-dare to be great, tinalo niya yung tumalo sa'yo at tinalo niya yung dating champion. Kinain niya. So, ibig sabihin, nung tinalo mo siya, nung nabawi mo yung belt, samba! Israel Adesanya! Ayun, wala. Yun lang. Congratulations. Congratulations Alex Pereira. Sa heavyweight, si Thomas Pinal. Kasi si Thomas Pinal, winning streak din. Akala ko malakas si Sir J dahil wrestling. Sorry. Tao lang nagkakamali. Dalawa yung pinusta kong nagkamali. Dalawa yung pinusta namin ni Francis A na nagkamali. Eh di sorry. Pero importante, deserving naman yung mga nanalo. Deserving yung mga nanalo. Pero, pagbalik ni John Jones, wait lang kayo. Pukin ng ina nyo, kakainin lahat kayo ni John Jones. Kasi, ang GOAT is the GOAT, greatest of all times ng UFC is hindi si George St. Pierre, hindi si Anderson Silva, hindi kung sino man. Ang greatest of all times pa rin is si Johnny Bones Jones. Diba? Yun lang mga kalapit and stop recording.